Well, that'll be fun to prune a little later. Some weeding to do. Roses you don't touch when they're in this shape. Ooh, almost sneezed there for a moment. Allergies are prolific yet again. Clean up, re-edge. Those roses are coming out of there. But again, they're healthy. I don't really want to tinker with something that's healthy until it's the down season, but we'll see. Pruning of dead stuff, more edging. General cleanup. You know, things get out of hand. So my first idea is just clean everything up. Get rid of those rocks. She doesn't want them. Clean up the plants before transplanting. And I think what I'll do is I'll dig up some things and just group them elsewhere and replant. Not today. Today's our cleanup. Again, generic, just edging. Interesting plants. I guess the new growth is green, mature growth red, but we're going to cut those anyway. Some very nice plants in here. Just, they got out of hand. It's a new homeowner, not her original landscaping. See, I pulled some of those rocks out and we'll fit them in over here. I still have to edge this edge and the other side of the house, but as far as today goes, well, I'd say that's a marked improvement. Only move one or two things because my idea was detune the noise. Get rid of the mess, and then start looking at what you want to do. Otherwise, it's just too much at once. You can't see the vision. Well, you remember that was practically all sod at this point. And over here, the sod had grown all the way into the rose bushes. I actually collared all of them. So I got in there and pulled it all apart. They should be a lot happier. And we'll pick this up tomorrow.